I guess. No, it's not there. Okay, so girls. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you how to get it. If you have, take that away. Go. If you have iPhone, go to save the photos, and if you have, what is it called? Mobile, well, just any mobile. If you have screenshot on it, go there. But you can press save the photos and press save, well, keep pressing it, and then it'll say save the photos for iPhone. I don't know what it'll say for mobile, like Samsung or anything, but yeah. And then we're gonna go to Roblox. Let me go there. Oh, that'd be bad. Okay, now going to home, go on these 3 lines, go to creations, go to avatar items, go to classics, and this is all free. You can do this anytime. This is how much outfits I made. Oh, there's more pages. Just so you know. Go to upload, go, okay, well, let me do it again. iPhone users, you don't have to go to desktops or anything. I have no clue for mobile, like Samsung or anything others. So sorry, y'all, for anybody. So go to upload, go to photo library. Okay. Then you go to that. You go to the one. I deleted it, so yeah, that's why. But you go to that one that you just screenshotted or took. Put a name that's appropriate, or just blah blah blah. Okay. And then we go press upload, get out, and you'll see it. So then, when you do that, go here. The color doesn't matter, by the way. Just again. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot about this shirt. Huh? No.
What?
You have more hours. Back up.
Let me go check on it.
Okay. Okay. So go here, press it, then go to here. You see that? Sleeveless. If you want to do short sleeves, go on this one. I don't recommend. But if you want to go on here, you can get that one. I don't recommend it because of texture, but go to the Robux shirt, and yeah, and then go. What character did I use for that? Purchased. Go to. Wait, I'm not sure it's Jonathan. I'm pretty sure it's Jonathan. No. Yeah. So here, it's Jonathan. You can get Jonathan, or you can get the zombie. Wait, no, it's not a zombie. It's Jonathan. Just go to Jonathan. Okay, I'm gonna get back to where I was. Get this one. Now, since you got that one, keep that. I'm just changing my skin color. Cause, yeah. Okay, now, if you want to use glasses, I really don't care. You can put a hat on. I really don't care. Just put what you want. Add an accessory. I would recommend this. Get the pants. Don't forget about that. Don't mind these. And get a black hair if you want. If you don't want black hair, I don't care. It's what you like. You can do this hair, 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 and this hair, this hair, this hair, this hair, this hair, or this hair. I really don't care. But bye. If you like this video, you can try it. I don't care what you want. If you want this video, I'll make more videos like this. Bye.